Join me as I dive into Richard Templar's rules of money and challenge myself to apply them all in just 1 week. Did you know that only 30% of adults have a long-term financial plan? Let's change that. Chapter 1. The Rules of Wealth. Richard Templar starts with foundational principles, emphasizing the importance of understanding money. Key takeaway: money management starts with awareness and education. Knowing how money works is the first step to mastering it. Practical application: educate yourself on financial terms and concepts. Read books, watch videos, and follow financial news to stay informed. Chapter 2. Setting Goals. In this chapter, Templar discusses the importance of setting financial goals. Key takeaway: clearly defined goals provide direction and motivation, making it easier to plan and achieve financial success. Practical application: set short-term and long-term financial goals. Write them down and create a plan to achieve them. Review and adjust your goals regularly. Chapter 3. Pay yourself. First, one of the most crucial rules: always save a portion of your income before spending. Key takeaway: prioritizing savings ensures you build wealth over time, even if it's just a small percentage initially. Practical application: automate your savings by setting up a direct deposit to your savings account. Start with a small percentage and gradually increase it as you get more comfortable. Chapter 4. Control your spending. Templar emphasizes the need to live within your means. Key takeaway: creating and sticking to a budget helps control impulsive spending and ensures financial stability. Practical application: track your expenses and create a budget. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to monitor your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Chapter 5. Invest wisely. Investing is essential for growing wealth. Templar advises understanding and embracing risk. Key takeaway: smart investments can multiply your wealth, but it's important to evaluate and manage risks effectively. Practical application: research and diversify your investments. Consider consulting a financial advisor to help you make informed decisions based on your risk tolerance and goals. Chapter 6. Protect your assets. Safeguarding your money and investments is crucial. Key takeaway: insurance, emergency funds, and legal protections are necessary to secure your financial future. Practical application: set up an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Review your insurance coverage and ensure you have the necessary policies in place. Chapter 7. Avoid debt for depreciating assets. Templar warns against borrowing money for things that lose value, like cars or gadgets. Key takeaway: focus on investing in appreciating assets that grow your wealth over time. Practical application: limit your use of credit for non-essential purchases. Prioritize saving up for big-ticket items and invest in assets that appreciate, like real estate or stocks. Chapter 8. Keep learning about money. Continuous education and staying informed are vital. Key takeaway: the financial world constantly evolves, so keep learning to adapt and thrive. Practical application: make a habit of reading financial blogs, attending seminars, and following financial experts on social media. Stay curious and open to new ideas. Chapter 9. Know when to break the rules. Templar's most impactful rule: sometimes deviating from conventional wisdom can lead to extraordinary opportunities. Key takeaway: flexibility and knowing when to bend the rules can be game changers. Practical application: be open to exploring unconventional financial opportunities. Use your judgment and seek advice when considering breaking traditional rules. Conclusion: to sum it up, Richard Templar's The Rules of Money offers timeless principles for achieving financial stability and growth. Here are the key takeaways. 1. Understand money. Awareness and education are the first steps to mastering money. 2. Set financial goals. Clearly defined goals provide direction and motivation. 3. Pay yourself. First, prioritizing savings ensures long-term wealth building. Control your spending. Living within your means is crucial for financial stability. 5. Invest wisely. Smart investments can grow your wealth. Manage risks effectively. 6. Protect your assets. Safeguard your finances with insurance and emergency funds. 7. Avoid debt for depreciating assets. Focus on investing in appreciating assets. 8. Keep learning. Continuously educate yourself to adapt and thrive in the financial world. 9. Know when to break the rules. Flexibility and strategic rule breaking can lead to extraordinary opportunities. If you found these insights helpful, share your thoughts on the rules of money in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more book summaries insights. Until next time, happy saving and investing.